Today, I'll do a simple decoration on a vase that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Let's get started. First, I wrap my vase with a thin rope that I purchased at Dollar Tree as well. I secured the end of my rope to the inside of my vase using masking tape, and I wrapped my rope around my vase using a random design, pulling with enough tension that my rope would not easily move. I also used a few pieces of masking tape to the outside of my vase as well to hold my rope in place. Once I was done wrapping my vase, I made sure that the end of my rope was at the bottom of my vase, and I secured it with masking tape. Once I was done wrapping my vase, I took it outside and I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum frosted glass spray paint. Once my frosted glass spray paint dried, I spray painted my vase with silver metallic spray paint in an ombre pattern. To create my ombre effect, I positioned my spray can about 10 inches away from my vase, and as I moved to the top of my vase, I pulled my spray can back further as I sprayed. Once I was done with my ombre pattern, I took the piece of masking tape from the bottom of my vase and I spray painted it silver as well. I took my vase back inside and removed my rope. And this is what my vase looked like once I was all done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.